This video is for anybody who has an Oticon receiver in the canal hearing aid that looks like this. Okay, it will also work for the Bernafon hearing aids. What we're going to talk about is if your hearing aid is not working. The first thing you want to do is change the battery. Even though you may have already changed the battery, every now and then we can get a bad battery. So you're going to want to just open up that hearing aid and find a new battery and put that in. Next, you'll listen to it. If it's still not working, it could be plugged with wax. So what you're going to want to do is go to the kit that you got during your hearing aid fitting and find a little box that looks like this. These are wax guards. Inside of that little cardboard box, you'll find these little black tabs. What we're going to do is we're going to get our hearing aid and we're going to take off this dome. So we're going to take our two fingers and just kind of pull and wiggle it off. Next, we need to get one of those little black tabs. So we're going to pull it out, and what you'll notice is there's a removal pick to take out the old one and then a brand new one on the other side. So we're going to just go straight in, pull out that old one, and then push in the new one, just like that. And then we're going to take our dome and just kind of wiggle it back on. If you do that and you listen to it and it's still not working, give us a call and we'll figure out a way to get you in so we can get that working.